Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be working on more holiday DIYs. For this next DIY project, we've got a few things here. First up, I'm going to strip down all of the old floral, not this one, but all of the old floral and extras off of all of this Christmas greenery. I got it all for free from an estate clean out, and we are going to update it a bit for some high-end modern home decor. I have removed all of the little extras off of the trees and the wreaths, and now we can move on to the next step. It is time to flock stuff up. Oh, this is heavy. If y'all want to grab this flocking, I have it linked in my Amazon shop. This is the 5-pound bag. They have a smaller bag. It's like half the size, so you don't have to get this much. You'll also need a mister bottle. This is a continual mist bottle. I also have them linked down in my Amazon shop, and I am going to start by just getting this tree evenly damp. You don't want it soaking, dripping wet, but you do need it to be wet. That way the flocking can stick to it. Now I'm going to take a little bit of my flocking and just put it into a little paper bowl here. I don't want to dump the flocking onto the tree. I want to gently shake it so it starts falling down little by little, and it will start sticking to those wet branches. Once you have a little on, then you'll spray it with that water again. That's going to activate the self-adhesive glue that is inside of the flocking powder already. And now we will just repeat this step a few times, a little water, a little flock, until you have it how you like it. I like a snowier look. I do quite a bit. And you'll see as I mess with it here, a little bit does fall off, so keep that in mind as you're flocking. Naturally, a little bit is going to shed, but once the snow flocking is all dry, the glue inside of it will really help it adhere to your project. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you have ever tried to flock any of your own Christmas items before. I know a lot of us love to buy the flocked look, but here's a way that you can update some of your older items at home. Once the trees are flocked, it's time to figure out a new base for these two larger ones. I grabbed a couple of these beautiful wooden bowls I had in inventory, and we are going to make them into our Christmas tree trunks. Just using a bit of glue here, I'm going to glue down some floral foam, and that way I can stick the wire of the base of the tree down into the foam, making it nice and secure inside the bowl. I'm adding some Spanish moss on top of the floral foam to give it a finished look. These trees already had wires on the bottom of them, so I just simply poked the wire down into that floral foam, and it is ready to go. I decided not to glue it in case whoever purchases it would like to take it apart for storage. I grabbed a little bit of baby's breath here. This is also listed down in my Amazon links below, and I think it's just going to add in a few little nice pops of warmth to help tie that bowl into the nice stark white of the flocking. Drop me a comment, let me know what you think about makeover number 1. How beautiful and high-end is this tree now? I have one left on my website. One has already sold. It went quick. If you're new here, be sure to check out my website, upcycledbybrie.com. There you'll be able to find all of the paint and products and my flips. I'll be sure to link that down in the description box so it's easy for you to find. I went live on Facebook and made over this little cutie tree. I put it inside of a little plain white crock bowl, and I stuck this one inside of a copper cup. So the possibilities are endless. Drop me a comment and let me know what else you would use to put these trees inside of. Now for the wreaths, I flocked them the exact same way. You just have to turn them a couple of different directions. I like to let them dry a little bit in between before I touch them. So I kind of just work on them throughout the day and then do other projects in between. Now we are going to add some beautiful floral and pine cones that I had left over in my stash to complete these and turn them into a gorgeous high-end holiday wreath. I love these pine wreaths because the floral picks poke into them beautifully. I don't ever really need to use anything extra. For the pine cones, I did attach them with some hot glue, and then I did end up also taking a little bit of floral wire, wrapping them around the cone and attaching them to the pine branch a bit. The pine cones were a bit heavy, and I just wanted to make sure that they stay nicely attached when shipping and displaying this wreath. So again, with a outdated greenery wreath, some floral and pine cones from my stash, I now have this beautiful, modern, neutral toned Christmas wreath. What do y'all think about my makeover? Drop me a comment below and let me know if you'll be trying out this flocking. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you love these holiday videos, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Also, send this video over to a friend who you think may enjoy it as well, and that's going to help my channel continue to grow. Don't forget to subscribe and follow so you don't miss any new content. And until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye, friends. Now that I've removed all of the extras off of the wreaths and the trees, we can move on to the next step.